The patient is the boss. They are the ones in charge. They come to me as a consult to receive information and hopefully trusting information, but they are part of the decision making with me. We're a team together. I like the idea of treating my patients as family. I know how I'd want my family to be treated, and so I try to treat them that same way. And so when they leave after getting a prescription or after making a decision on what to do, they understand why that's being prescribed and they have agreed to it, that they agree to taking that medication as well, or whatever the treatment options are. I love the whole aspect of family medicine. I love taking care of children and newborns, all the way to taking care of the elderly. I really enjoy doing procedures in our office and trying to keep everything that is needed to be done for the patient within the clinic rather than having to send them out. Sometimes that may also mean performing manipulation when that's helpful. So it sounds like I enjoy every aspect of family medicine. There's nothing that brings me more joy than feeling like I made a difference in somebody's life. Sometimes you don't know that until you get a phone call from that patient or their spouse saying thank you. They feel so much better ever since they started seeing you. Getting a phone call or a note of appreciation. Sometimes it just feels good walking out of the room and I'll say to my nurse, I think we're gonna be able to make a difference in this person's life. But that's probably the most rewarding thing about being a physician. I've been practicing in the Kansas City area for the last 6 years through another facility. And many of my patients, when they're admitted through North Kansas City or see a specialist through Meritus Health, would come back and say how much they appreciated their care. And I always appreciated the care my patients received as I read their notes. And so finally, after a few years, I thought, I need to take a look up there and see what this is all about. As I took a look, I realized what my patients were seeing and saw that my philosophy in practicing medicine matched with the way Meritus Health's philosophy was. I love spending time outdoors. I love hiking, mountain biking, especially when I can get out somewhere where there are some mountains. The best quality time that I spend is with my family. I love spending time with my children and my wife and doing family activities. I also like spending a lot of time serving in my church. The other thing I love to do personally is music. I love playing the guitar, writing songs, and I love to sing.